Thank you for joining us for this first ever regional SDC here in Austin. We're very happy to have you here. My name is Jason Molgaard, and I'll be your host today. So I'm co-chair of the Technical Council, among other roles here at SNIA, and part of that role is setting up the agendas for SDC. And we've put together a fantastic agenda for you today, and glad that you could join us for that. That's my night job. My day job is actually with Solidigm. I work in a pathfinding organization that focuses on advanced storage technologies for SSDs and kind of exploring those technologies and where they might go. So again, welcome. Thank you for being here. So a few administrative items before we get started. First of all, if you parked in the parking structure here at this facility, there's an opportunity to get your parking validated, so you can pay only $12, I believe. It will be at lunch. So look over near lunch. There'll be someone from the hotel staff who will be available to take care of that. Lunch will be in room 103. For those of you who had breakfast, that's the same room we were in. If you're not familiar with that is, it's on the other side of the big hall this way. Just follow the herd. That way you can find lunch. So. That will be at noon, and we'll take a look at the agenda here in just a minute. All right, so SNIA puts on this event and other events, and so just a few brief words about SNIA. So SNIA has been around for 25 years and very focused on data, and this infographic that's shown here has 6 focus areas that SNIA spends a lot of their effort on. I'm sure a lot of you are familiar with this, but just to kind of give you a brief introduction on that, all of the TWIGs and technology affiliates within SNIA fall within one or more of these focus areas. And these focus areas provide opportunities for collaboration and across industry, across organizations, and together brought standards and technology, education, and of course events, including this event. So we're very glad to be here to provide that. All right, so for the agenda today, I'm not going to walk through the whole agenda. You probably have a copy yourself. They were passed out at the table. So we'll start off with a computational storage talk. After that, we have 3 talks related to CXL. There will be a break in the middle, so you can freshen up your coffee. At noon, like I said, we will break for lunch in room 103. In the afternoon, we have 3 talks related to AI. So all very important hot topics today. And then we'll have another break and then have 2 talks related to NVMe. All right, it's never too early to start thinking about the full SDC that's coming up in September. So in Santa Clara, September 16 through 18, you can submit your proposal right now. It's call for proposals is open, and you can submit before June 5th. So we would love to have you present your paper. One of the tenets of SDC is by developers for developers. We want developers to be up here speaking about what they're doing or what you're doing to other developers, and would love to showcase your work, what it is you're working on. Early bird registration ends at the end of August on the 28th. And for you guys, for everyone here at this first ever regional SDC Austin, you can get an additional $200 off by using this code that's on the bottom of the screen. So hopefully you're scratching that down right now, and you can take that code and use that in addition to the early bird. What a fantastic deal. So the agenda is in the works still. The same committee that put this show together will be working on that full SDC. We have quite a bit of work to do. Waiting for more proposals to come in. All of those updates will be on SNIAdeveloper.org. So definitely check out SNIAdeveloper.org, and you can stay apprised of everything as we get it put together. All right. Let me check. Let's see if I have any other administrative items. I believe that's all I have. So let's go ahead and go with our first speaker.